Make ginger pork, and this is how it goes. So this is sugar right here. Put it in. Sugar is 2 tablespoons. So next we add the soy sauce.
Soy sauce. 6 tablespoons.
6 tablespoons. Okay.
And then sake.
Sake.
6.
6.
And mirin.
Mirin.
6 tablespoons.
6 tablespoons.
And then ginger juice.
Ginger juice
is 4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons.
And this is potato starch. 1 tablespoon.
So you put pork and onions all together. Mix. Put avocado oil in here. We put some oil. We're gonna put in these onions. Oh, we're gonna put the sauce into the and stir around. And now we're gonna put this in the plate. That was good.